Today, let's talk about how to grow passion fruit the smart and simple way, from choosing the right type to how you grow it and where to sell it. Welcome to Rich Harvest Africa, where we help youth and women turn farming into real income. In East Africa, most farmers grow passion fruit in one of these three ways. 1. In the open field. This is the most common. You plant in the garden, build support, called a trellis, and let the vines grow. 2. In a greenhouse. If you have the money, a greenhouse is great. You control the water and temperature, and you can grow all year. 3. Around your home. Yes. Some people grow vines along their fence or compound. If you don't have land, start small right where you live. So don't say you need a big farm. Passion fruit can grow even in a small space if you take care of it well. Let's talk about the types or varieties. There are two common ones in East Africa. Purple passion. This one is sweet and tasty. People love eating it fresh. It grows well in cooler areas like highlands. Yellow passion. This one is bigger but more sour. It's mainly used to make juice. It grows well in hot lowland areas. Now here's the secret. Many serious farmers grow grafted passion, where the purple type is joined with the roots of the yellow type. Why? Because it resists disease, grows stronger, and gives you more fruit. So if you're growing for business, start with grafted seedlings from a good nursery. Don't just pick seeds from market fruits. You'll waste time. Now the big question, who buys this fruit? Here are your best markets. Local markets, towns and city markets always have buyers. Juice companies, especially if you grow a lot, they'll buy in bulk. Supermarkets and shops, they want clean, good-looking fruits. Hotels and restaurants, use passion fruit for drinks and desserts. Neighbors and local customers, you can sell directly and make good money. Some smart farmers even sell to exporters. And here's a tip. If you can grow when others can't, like during the dry season using irrigation, you can sell for double the price. So far we've talked about how people grow passion fruit, the best varieties, and where the money is. Now in the next part of this video, I'll show you exactly how to plant it, how to prepare your land, how to build the trellis, how to water and care for the vines, and how to protect them from pests. Farming doesn't have to be complicated. You just need the right steps. And that's what Rich Harvest Africa is here for. If you're a young person or a woman thinking about farming, this could be your start. Did you learn something new today? Let us know in the comments. And if you're planning to grow passion fruit, tell us where you're from. And don't forget to like, share this with someone who needs it, and subscribe to Rich Harvest Africa, where we turn passion into profit. Clear the land, remove all bushes and weeds. Dig holes about 60 centimeters wide and 60 centimeters deep. Mix the topsoil with plenty of well-rotted manure or compost. Leave about 2 meters between plants and 2.5 meters between rows. Passion fruit loves rich, well-drained soil. Avoid swampy places or clay soil that holds water. If your soil is too acidic, add lime a few weeks before planting. Buy healthy grafted seedlings from a trusted nursery. Avoid roadside vendors selling weak or sickly plants. When planting, water the hole first. Gently remove the seedling from the bag and place it in the hole. Fill the hole and press the soil gently. Water again after planting. It's best to plant during the rainy season or when you have irrigation available. Passion fruit vines need support to grow upwards. This support system is called a trellis. Use strong wooden or concrete posts spaced 6 meters apart. Fix a strong wire, like barbed wire or galvanized wire, across the top. Train the vines to climb by tying them gently with soft string. A good trellis helps the plant grow strong, carry heavy fruits, and makes harvesting easier. Passion fruit needs regular watering, especially in dry weather. If the plant dries up, it won't give fruit. Water 3 to 4 times a week depending on the weather. Use mulch, like dry grass or banana leaves, around the base of each plant. This helps the soil stay moist and stops weeds. If you can afford it, drip irrigation is the best method to save water and time. Passion fruit plants start flowering around 5 to 6 months after planting. Each flower needs to be pollinated to form a fruit. In open fields, bees and other insects help with pollination naturally. If you have few pollinators, you can hand pollinate using a soft brush to transfer pollen from one flower to another. Once pollinated, fruits begin to grow and take about 2 to 3 months to mature. You'll start harvesting passion fruits around 6 to 8 months after planting. Fruits are ready when they turn deep purple and begin to fall on their own. Harvest by hand. Don't pull or twist the fruit off the vine. This can damage the plant. Pick fruits every 2 to 3 days to avoid overripe or rotten ones. A healthy plant can produce fruits for 2 to 3 years with proper care. After harvesting, sort your fruits into grades. Grade A, big, clean, ripe fruits with no spots. Grade B, medium-sized fruits with small blemishes. Grade C, damaged or overripe fruits, can be sold for juice. Store in a cool, dry place. Don't store wet or dirty fruits, they will rot quickly. Now it's time to make money. Here are your top selling options. 1. Local markets, fast-moving and cash-based. 2. Supermarkets, want well-graded and clean fruits. 3. Juice companies, buy in bulk, especially grade C fruits. 4. Exporters, require strict quality and packaging standards. 5. Direct to customers, use social media or local deliveries. Sell in the dry season if possible, prices are higher. Clean packaging and consistency will win you repeat customers. Always scout for pests and remove sick plants early. Keep records of expenses and harvests. Join a farmer group or cooperative for better market access. Learn from others and never stop improving. Passion fruit farming needs patience, but with good care, it will reward you for years.